Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today I'm going to tell you my book's presentation. Before I start, let me introduce myself first. My name is Adinda Variani Kurnia Putri from AK 4303. The title of my book is Small Business for Dummies by Eric Tyson and Jim Sell. These are the contents of the book. The part 1 is Becoming an Entrepreneur, part 2 Buying an Existing Business, part 3 Running a Successful Small Business, part 4 Keeping Your Business in Business, part 5 The Part of Tense. Part 1 is Becoming an Entrepreneur. Before we start becoming an entrepreneur, we have to consider these 5 things first. First one is a small business for you, laying your personal financial foundation, finding your niche, crafting business plan, and the last is making financing, ownership, and organizational decisions. And we have to consider the definition of each part. Next, buying an existing business. We have to explore buying a business and find the right business to buy and evaluate a business to buy and negotiate terms and sealing the deal. The third one is running a successful small business. In this part, this is the most important part of this book because we have to know the owner's responsibilities in the startup and beyond, and the marketing of the business, and the technology of the business, and we have to make customers be loyal to us, and manage the profitability and cash of the business, and learn from others' experiences. Part 4, keeping your business in business. We have to provide employees benefits and handle the legal and regulatory issues, and master small business tax, cultivate a growing business, and finding and keeping superstar employees means examining and executing the best employees. This is the last part, the part of tense. In this part, this is mentioned that there are 10 mistakes and 10 tips. 10 mistakes you don't want to make and 10 tips for small business success. And these are the most popular mistakes you don't want to make if you have a business, especially small business. And you have 10 tips for small business success for making the business more successful than before. To conclude, in this book, we can know that how we can face the small business in the first place. We have to consider these 5 things first, as I mentioned the 5 parts of this book. And there's always a failure to make a business, especially a small business. And we can let those things happen. In case we have to know that 5 things first. I think that's enough for me. Thank you for all your attention. Thank you so much. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.